I'll be done in 10 minutes. Is that okay? Okay. Alright. Well, we can do that later as well. Up to you. Hello guys! Good afternoon! Happy Sunday! 12:24 na ng hapon. I'm gonna do my mukha para lang presentable tayo tingnan. Pupunta kami ni Dan sa Random Mall kasi bukas na sila guys. Bukas na yung ibang mga malls, yung mga ibang mga clothing shops. Well, hindi naman talaga nag-close yung mga mall, pero yung mga clothing shops na nasa loob ng mall or yung mga shops, majority ng mga shops sa loob ng mall, nag-close sila kasi wala din namang lumalabas for a long time, di ba? Walang lumalabas. Kahit na open pa yung mga mall, wala din silang mga customer masyado kasi nga walang lumalabas. Pero ngayon, parang nagno-normalize na siya. Hindi pa din as in like back to normal ha, kasi alam naman natin, kailangan pa natin maging cautious. But nagsistart na mag-open yung mga shops. Tapos, hanggang ngayon, 0 active cases pa din. Ang South Australia, pero yung mga restrictions, like when it comes to gatherings, ganun pa din. Up to 10 people pa din. And in fairness naman sa mga tao, sumusunod naman sila. Pero napapansin talaga namin na mas marami ng mga sasakyan, na mas nagiging busy na ulit. Alam mo yun? Kahala ka dyan. So, nagpa-vacuum ang aking asawa, guys. Nag-laundry pa naman ako, pero feeling ko hindi na namin mahihintay yung laundry. 30 minutes pa kasi nakalagay. Anong oras na? Gusto kong bumili ng mga damit para kay Dan. Kaya lang, mahihirapan tayo nito. Baka mapunta sa away ito. Kasi ayaw na ayaw niya na binibilhan siya ng damit. Ang hirap din naman niya bilhan nang wala siya. Kasi yung sizing niya, ibang-iba. Like, minsan nag-fit yung ganitong size. Minsan hindi. Depende talaga. Pero we'll see kung magiging successful ang ating plano today. Gusto ko sana bumili kami ng pantulog para sa kanya. Kasi napapansin nyo, yung suot-suot niya, yung green lagi. Yun kasi yung pantulog niya sa winter. And kapag nilalabahan ko siya, naawa ako sa kanya kasi gusto niya madry agad-agad. Sabi ko, bakit kasi hindi tayo bumili ng isa pa? Ayaw niya. Ay, hindi ko kailangan, hindi ko kailangan. Tapos nung sinabi ko sa kanya, gusto ko pumunta ng H&M. Sabi niya, uy, hindi tayo bibili para sa akin ha. Sabi ko, hindi. Titingin tayo para kay baby. Sabi niya, sige. We're driving, guys. Malapit lang sa bahay. Malapit din sa lote. Gusto i-check ni Dan yung block. Kasi, hinihintay namin na matapos yung laundry. And ayaw namin nakaupo lang doon. Walang ginagawa habang hinihintay yung laundry. So sabi natin, let's go for a drive. Come back. Hang the laundry. And then go to Random Mall.
Random Mall?
Oh.
Are we going to Harbour Town?
I thought we're going to H&M.
Okay. We can do that.
Okay.
Are we doing both?
I don't know. Can we?
We can do both. Yeah, I was asking.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, my love. The weather's really nice. Ang ganda ng weather today.
Perfect weather today.
Yeah. May ano ako eh. May parang pa-coat ako na ganap. Sabi na wag mong dalhin yung coat. Hindi mo kailangan yung coat. It's 19 degrees. I'm pretty sure I will need the coat. So, later, pag pumunta kami ng mall, padala ko ng coat, guys. Yung sabi sa washing kanina, 18 minutes. But that's really like 25 minutes.
This is the house in the corner.
Okay.
It's a modern house.
Yeah, that's alright. Same brick as ours. May titingnan lang kaming bahay.
See? There it is.
Ah, yeah, nice.
All those pot plants are that lady's.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, nice. Dito kami sa lote, guys. Isa to sa mga bahay. Oh, yung one story na pinakita ko sa inyo last time. May mga bricks na siya. Siya na talaga. Tapos may mga windows na din siya, oh. Nice. That's gonna be quick, this one, my love.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can have this one.
Ito naman yung binisita natin last time. Gusto na naman pumunta ni Dan doon. In and out daw. 2 minutes daw. Ala, sige, go, babe. What has changed, my love? Oh, they've got the window, the glass frames already, oh. Huh? Oh, the windows, no?
They're gonna have.
Okay, don't touch
Our
it.
windows aren't gonna open.
Yeah, it's gonna be a fixed window. In and out, babe, huh? No more measuring.
I'm trying to work out where because our toilet window is gonna be.
Ito na naman tayo. Here we go again.
Our toilet window will be here actually.
Okay. Nandito na talaga yung mga frame nila. That's their door, no? This one. For there?
The laundry then.
My love, this is the frame for there? Maybe?
Yeah.
Sliding door, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. Got all the stuff there. Hala, uy, alam mo, kung may magnanakaw, if someone like wants to steal these, they can.
I can steal it.
Yeah. Kalma lang ba? They can steal it. Yan, oh. Mananakaw talaga yan.
Probably worth
Yeah, I know.
$3,000.
Yeah, expensive kaya yan. Hala, babe, tayo na eh. Baka mapagbintangan pa tayo dito. Babe, what if they lose that and then you're the last person here? There's no cameras. You will measure the, ooh, this will fit in our house. Iniwan lang nila, oh. We're back home. Let's hang the laundry real quick and we'll head out, guys. Off to Harbor Town. Palabas na kami ng city, guys. How many minutes, my love?
10 to 15.
10-15 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay. You're just wearing a t-shirt, my love. You're not gonna be cold.
No way, it's a beautiful day.
Yeah, it's 21 degrees. That's still cold. 21 degrees. Are you gonna focus on the 21 degrees? Yes, sir. Dito na kami. Harbor Town. Ala, tama ka, babe. Maraming ang tao. It's busy. Let the people go. It's busy, my love. Everyone's back shopping. Shopping time. Do you wanna buy anything, my love?
Nope.
What are we gonna do here then?
You're the only one to come here.
Yeah. Let's look around. Oh, ano? Price line di ay. Sabi na doon, ipapark niya daw ako malapit sa toilet because I need to go to the toilet again, guys. Wait talaga itong asawa ko. Ang problema, kung may parking malapit sa toilet. This is where the toilet's at, yeah?
Nope.
Ano? Okay. Dito tayo, guys. Lorna Jane. Tingnan natin yung kanilang mga maternity leggings. Dito tayo sa kid stuff. Oo, diba? Tingin-tingin na tayo sa mga kid stuff. Dito kami sa Intersport. Pila-pila, guys. Pila-pila ang sitwasyon dito. Daming tao, pero konti lang kasi pwedeng pumasok sa shop. So may pila, halos lahat ng shops. Pila tayo dito. May pambata, doon ako nakita, oh. Na jumper. Dito na kami sa loob. Sabi ko kay Dan, wag tayo magmadali kasi pumila tayo ng 5 minutes. Sabi ni Dan, we will just be in and out. Sabi ko, uy, let's take our time. Pumila tayo na 5 minutes. Did you see any...
This is actually cool.
What's that? Dream Team?
92.
Okay.
It's like the greatest team ever to play basketball.
Oh, really? Do you wanna buy that one then?
Nah,
No?
don't want so much money for it.
How much is it?
$50.
50 bucks. Dito kami sa Ollie's Place, mga pambata. Feel this, babe. Animal print. Wow. Ah, babe.
That's cute.
Allah.
What's that?
11 bucks. Oh, this one is. Oh, so cute, babe.
Get a couple of things, babe.
Nah, not now.
Oh, it's just kind of.
Basta para kay baby, diretso, you can get, ala, $4. Look. Very animal print, that one, my love. Ah, they've got stuff on sale, babe. $4. Oh, that's cute. Oh, this is cute.
That's cute.
$12.50. Ang cute niyan. Yeah. Hello, good luck talaga, babe. $11.50 from... Shoot, that's expensive. From 33?
Yeah.
Kanyan ka mamahal ang mga pambata. That's cute though. That's really cute.
Get the whole thing back.
Okay, relax. Just relax. Do we have to get it now? Oh, love, babe. 2-piece, oh. Yeah, no, that's the party dress. This is cute, babe. Oh, 2-piece. Ah, look, an apple. Aww. Wala na, I can be here all day, my love. Which one's your favorite? Kamahal uy minatay. 35? 25? That's cute though. Aww, that's nice and soft. How much is that one? $8.50. It's not bad. Ah, cherry.
They're okay.
This is cute. Yeah, the material is very nice as well. Is that the one you like? Aww. Wow. Future makeup artist. Gusto ni Dan, pumili ako, guys. Hala, uy, ano ba to? Ito, gusto ko to. Very light lang niya. Yeah, that one's nice. What's that? Is it, okay, you choose that, huh? Well, that's 3 to 6 months. Okay, that's
Yeah,
okay.
I get like different stuff.
Okay. You choose the last one. Yeah, let's go, my love. Aloy, grabe, ang dami mo namang inano, skinip. You skipped a lot. We got that one already. See?
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's a good one.
Yeah, I know. Which one do you like?
Are you going to get a cherry one?
Or do you want to get both?
No.
Hala, this one's got a shirt underneath. Oh, no, the other one. Aww, grandma's little butterfly. This one, look. It's a cute outfit.
I don't like that one.
Ah, you don't like that one? Okay. Sorry. Sorry po. May mga shorts sa ilalim, mo, love. Hindi na napigilan, guys. Wala na. May 4 na tayo dito. You like that one? You like red? You wanna get that one? Okay. Sorry, love. Wala na. It's a cute one as well, babe.
Got these on too. You're cute.
Yeah.
That's cheap. $6.
Okay, patay na, guys.
18.
Yeah.
Let's get that.
Okay. Is that the only color? So that's this? Do you know what that one is for?
It's a bib.
Okay. Baka kuha ka lang ng kuha, di mo alam para saan. Oh, ang dami naman cute. Oh, ang cute ng mga dress. Wala na. Wala na. Well, look.
I think we have to build another house. Because all the clothes you're going to buy.
For the Hui, I didn't do this. Look at you. For all the clothes that I will buy or you will buy. Look at you. How many do you have there?
Couple.
A couple.
You chose half of them.
Ang cute nito, oh.
That's cute.
Yeah. Hala, babe. Wala na, babe. This is gonna be a daddy's girl, this one. And cute.
Nice dresses, aren't they?
Yeah, this will fit me.
That probably would fit you.
Yeah.
Cute dresses.
Ah, cute. Oh.
They're just like nice dresses.
Yeah, I know.
What's the damage on them?
Shouldn't be that bad.
65.
65,
It's for
no.
a special occasion, it's fine.
Yeah, like christening. Oh, that's... Oh, wedding. Oh, wedding. Alams na. What else did you find?
We need booties. Sarah wood.
Uy, relax lang, uy.
Just give it a feet coat. Feet. Bloody.
So we're getting that as well. Ang cute nila. Natutuwa ako. Kung ano-ano na lang nakikita. Can you imagine? Hi. All good? Babe, are we all good? Or do you wanna look for more? Yeah. Dito na kami sa price line. Tapos na kami doon. Let's see your bag, my love. Nahanap na namin yung brow dye. Here, oh, mga hair dye dito. Black lang yung meron sila, guys. Hinahanap ko yung brown black.
You try the one at our house sometime this week?
Yeah. Where are we going now, my love?
The city. Well, for Oregon City for?
Huh?
What do you need from the city?
I thought you were gonna have some food there in the city.
Nah.
Huh?
I might have like a spring roll.
Okay.
Since we're gonna go to Lara's tonight, I don't eat too much now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, nag-text sila, nakaka-text lang. Mag-aaros kaldo daw siya, tapos quick-quick. Paano ko naman mahihindian yung quick-quick, diba, babe? Diba? Diba, malam? Paano ko
Quick-quick?
Yeah.
I like quick.
Yeah, no, but me, I like quick-quick as well.
You like quick too, yeah?
Yeah. So, pupunta kami kinalay for dinner. But, dadaan kami sa city. Tingnan natin kung anong makikita natin doon. Wala akong nabili. Nagpunta ako sa Lorna Jane, diba? Check ko kung meron silang maternity. Wala silang maternity doon. Pero at least na-measure ko talaga. Na-check ko yung kanilang full-length na leggings. Kasi bumili ako ng 7-8 tights nila. Tapos para sa akin medyo maikli. Yung full-length nila, okay lang. Pero sana same lahat ng full-length nila. Like sa lahat ng range nila. Order ko na lang siya online. Anyway, we ended up buying this. How much is the baby's damage today?
Not bad. That was only $60.
Ang cute kasi. You can't help it, my love.
Nah, we gotta start buying a bit here and a bit there, and you do. It's easy to do.
Yeah, I know. They have a lot of cute stuff as well. Like, sobrang
It's
cute.
on sale, so
Lahat ng binili namin puro mga sale. Sabi ko kasi, maya na, hindi muna tayo magbili. Okay lang naman ako tingin-tingin sa Dan yung hindi talaga niya mapigilan. Sabi niya, bye. Get a couple stuff. Oh, this one's cute. And then, oh, this one's cute too. The baby needs boots.
it's gotta look good. The baby's gotta look good. Sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gotta look good. I don't like chocolate baby. It's gotta look good.
Kuha siya. This is gonna be a cute outfit. Aw, good job, my love. You like shopping for the baby?
I do actually.
Aw,
I should.
you look really cute. I was just standing there looking at you. I was like, aw, you're so cute, babe.
Thank you.
Like this big man holding cute little pink
This
stuff.
big fat man picking up pink items, yeah.
the pink stuff. They're really cute.
No, it's cool.
Yeah, I know.
Actually, it's better shopping for a girl than a boy.
You do not know how to shop for a boy.
I
You do
do.
not know how it feels like.
I do. The girls are better to shop for. There's more ranges for girls. Hashtag just saying. But
Babe. So now you're like team girl.
I was always team girl.
Nauuhaw ako. Sabi ko kay Dan, kung nasa Pilipinas tayo, may mga ano na dito, mga tao na nag-ano sa, kalsada, nag-o-offer ng tubig. Bili ka lang na tubig. Who misses the Philippines? I miss the Philippines. Sabi ko sa kanya kanina, na-miss ko yung Philippines. Guys, nakapark na kami. Kukuha na sana kami ng ticket. Tapos may dumaan na couple. Sabi nila, mayroon akong ticket. Mamaya pa yun mag-expire, 5:30. Binigay nila sa amin. Bait naman nila. We saved $2.50 today.
That's right.
Thank you, guys. Nadaanan nila ba na si Dan? Nagpipress na. Magbabayad na ng ticket. Sabi niya, hey man, I've got a ticket.
I got you.
I've got you, man. We're here. na-miss ko to. We're back here, my love. Did you miss this? No? Wala siyang pakialam. Tingnan niyo yung food court, guys. Wala nang tables. Merong table doon pero hindi pwede. It's not open. Oh, some are open. Ayun si Kuya, oh. Yeah. May Sephora na pala dito. First time ko to nakita. Dito kami sa H&M, guys. Hindi vlogger friendly kasi ang ingay ng music. Dito kami sa home section. Alarms na. Yes. Good job. Yeah. Sabi ni Dan, dito tayo kasi sa mga kids section daw. Ah, babe, cute, oh. Look at the baby's picture there. When she bounced. Black and white picture. Yeah. Agoy. Babe, good?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. $5. Merong ano, oh. Kaya lang sabi ni Dan, medyo sobrang laki. Malaki. Pero $5 na lang to. Asan yun? Ito. Ay, hindi ko na alam. Basta ganito. $5 na lang. Tapos dalawa. Pero ayun ni Dan. Ano? Ah! See, I like the fruit stuff. Oh, that's $5. That's so cute. Hello, babe. Uy, naging baby shopping na tong vlog na to. Hala, this one, oh. You don't like these?
No.
Ayaw ni Dan ng mga ganito. Gusto niya yung mga cutesy.
Oh, sorry, babe.
Where are we going?
Chemist Warehouse.
Napansin niya, uy, nasa men's na tayo ah. Bakit tayo nasa men's? alis tayo. Ayaw niya, guys. Let's go home. Ano, Chemist Warehouse pala. Tingnan natin kung nandun yung eyebrow tingi ko. We are back in the car. Oh, the lighting's very nice. Grabe ka talaga mag-close ng door. We got takeaway. Kakain na sana kami dun kasi may table. Though sabi sa table, ano, you can put your seat back, what? Too tight?
Too tight.
Tinanggal yung belt. Di pa nga kami kumakain. Ano, pa-close na yung shop. So, ano na lin-lin? Tira-tira. $5. Ang hirap maghanap ng pagkain kasi halos lahat close. So this one has veggies and rice.
Just veggies and rice.
Yeah, just veggies and rice, guys. See? You will eat that. Buti na lang may ano din sila dun, drinks. So ikaura. Wait, nasa bulsa ko yung ano, cutlery namin nila. We got nothing from Random Mall. Yeah.
Sorry. Oh, fuck.
Do your pants. Dito kami sa OTR. Bili lang kami ng ano, Krispy Kreme. Dalhin natin kinalay mamaya. Thank you, babe.
Busy.
Yeah, I know. Took forever. It's okay. Thank you, my love. Let's just leave it in the car. Will it be okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. We're home. Let's do a haul. We went to Ollie's place. Sa Random Mall, wala kami nabili. Wala din kami
Did you say Random Mall or Hubbertown?
No, I said at Random Mall we didn't buy anything.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. So, come on. Show them what you picked.
Alright, we got some booties. These are pretty cute. They are. They're cute little booties. I like them. She's laughing, but the kids need shoes. She doesn't want to put shoes on the kids' feet. I'm like, you got it. It's cold.
I didn't say I'm not going to put shoes.
Oh, you did. You did.
These are so cute though. Look. Dan saw this and was like, oh, the baby's gonna eat booty.
Gonna eat booty.
So cute. And then you picked this one as well.
And then these are like some baby bibs.
Yeah.
These are really cute as well. So apple, fruit, and just a pattern. But they're cute. And they're soft as well. I like the feel of them.
Yeah, it is soft. It's really nice.
Yeah.
Oh, this one was from $18.99 down to $6.50. So lahat naka-sale. This one was from $19.99 down to $7.99 for 2 cute little booties. Alright. Why? You okay?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do?
That loose bit of string.
Oh. This is so freaking cute. Alright, which piece of clothing did you choose?
Which one did I choose?
I chose this.
You
This
chose
is
that.
really cute.
Yeah, that's
But
cute.
I wasn't gonna buy anything. I was just like browsing, and then I was like, go get a couple, go get a couple.
They're on sale and they're cheap and they're good quality.
Yeah, they're actually good quality, guys. This from $31.99. Will you buy this for $31?
Hell no, no way.
We're bored. I think you will.
Not on $30. No way.
You said as well, oh, we're not gonna buy clothes yet, and then here we go.
Because they're on sale. It's a good deal.
Yeah, so from $32 down to $12.50. It's so cute. You got some pockets there, baby? No pockets.
Keep the coating as well, babe, so you know.
Yeah, we will.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one's cute.
I chose this as well,
This
but
is
you also really like
I like this one. It's a little cherry dress. It's
Yeah, and
very
the
cute.
material is really soft. So it's 2-piece.
Is it? I don't even know
Yeah.
that. Oh, even better.
Yeah, so cute. This one was originally $38. Ang mahal nito.
Yeah.
This is so cute though. Yeah, down to $12.50. So cute. Where is she gonna wear this?
When we go to the park. That's a park dress.
To the park, okay.
Gonna be the coolest kid at the park.
You chose this one,
I chose that one.
but I really like this one as well.
Do you know where she's gonna wear that, babe?
She will wear this to Ninang Lara's.
To Lara's.
Guess how much this one is originally?
25.
34.
34.
$34 for this cute dress, down to $11.50. So cute. So we know where to go shopping now for the baby's clothes. This one Dan chose as well.
It's gonna be a fat baby. Look how big that is.
No, that's style.
Look how big it is.
That's the style.
It looks like a...
This is for 0 to 3 months as well.
Yeah, it's gonna be real big.
No, that's to make her comfy.
Is it?
Guess how much?
I don't know.
Originally.
$100. $100.
Sige na, just
90.
over.
50.
39.
39.
$10 na lang! Down to $10. That's cute. We've got a variety of clothes now. She can wear this to...
Lara's again.
No, to Sharon's house.
Okay, to Mom's house.
That's it! So cute. We've got clothes. So cute. Alright. At least now we know, like the gender to shop for. Alright, Dan will just iron his clothes for tomorrow and then we will head to Lyra's. Dito na kami kinalay. Oh, did you set the temperature?
No.
No? Okay. Sabi ko sa kanya, hi na. Kasi mamaya, paglabas namin, sobrang lamig. Guys, kanina pa kami dito. Dito ako kasi, nagluluto sila ng kwek-kwek. Alam nyo naman yun, sumasabog yun sa akin. Pero tapos na, Lai? Tapos na, hindi naman sumasabog. No, nga, kaya nga. Sabi nga ni Dan, bakit kay Lyra hindi sumasabog? Ako lang talaga. Kapag ako lang. Dito na sila.
Hi guys! Watch my lechon guys, okay?
Oo nga, luto siya ng lechon. Nagpalaway lang naman siya.
Ay, hala ka! Sorry guys! Hala.
Uy, mamaya man yan. Garnish man yan.
Ikakat mo man. Sorry. Okay lang yung kala ko.
Sa'yo yan ah.
Sa'yo yung sa lupa.
Uy, balik. Di ba garnish yan after, yung itlog guys, nilagay na niya. Nag-arrospaldo sila eh.
Oh my God!
Okay lang naman.
Okay lang naman. Sa mga ano kasi.
Pero luto na yan, di ba? Luto
Saan ko
na.
ilalagay yan? Ikat mo sa gitna ka, Bal. Okay. Salamat.
Tapos ilalagay siya sa plato na ng kakain. Di ba?
Isa sa akin. Dapat si Mark.
Ayan, luto na. Quick. Thank you, Lai. Yummer, sauce, iklog. Yan. Fried garlic. Kumakain yung dalawa. Yummers? Thank you, Smile Lyra.
So much.
No worries. Kaya tayo, huwag tayong magpasubo sa mga boy or girl. Ano tayo nito?
Natalo.
Pustaan to ni Love at saka ni Lyra. Boy yung kay Love eh. Tapos kay Lyra, girl. Panalo si Lai, so siya napalibre tuloy siya ng milk tea. Dito na si Kat. Kanino ko guys, tapos na siya kumain.
Confidence na-
Baba! Where's the shark?
Where's the shark daw?
De?
Ang liit nga.
A big one?
Brown sugar milk tea. Bakit walang sago?
Walang sago.
Wala nga.
Sorry guys.
Okay lang yan. That's okay. Baba! When's your birthday?
Hindi sabi man ni
June? How about Daddy's birthday? May? How about Mommy? March. Good girl. Kain tayo. Alis na kami, guys. Thank you, Lai. Hatid ka namin. Uy.
Oh, I'm gonna
Have a ride.
ride. Loading pambuang.
I'm gonna walk. Oh,
Thank you,
bakit ka
Lai.
nandyan sa labas?
Wala, thank you for
Tara,
everything.
tara, let's go.
Let's go, Bobby. Wow, ilaw.
Saan kayo ay sa ubos ni Sila kasi tayo yung nandito. Ay hindi, pag-alis ay hindi nandito na si Mark.
Goodbye, guys.
Bye, Lai. Bye.
Happy pa daw sila iba. So,
Happy talaga siya. So I got my phone, I got my camera, I got my bag. You good, my love? Did we bring anything? Just Krispy Kreme, yeah?
This Krispy Kreme's on
Okay. Sige, let's go.
Yan, malalaki yung step.
Did you fart?
Sorry?
You farted.
No.
Yes, you did.
Oh, yeah.
Boring. Bahay na kami, guys. Well, kanina pa. Alauna na nga eh. Nag-skincare lang ako. And now, we're ready to sleep. Yan na yung vlog. Sana guys, nagustuhan nyo. Please like this video if you did enjoy. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. I have to see you guys soon. Be good. Good night. Good night, my love.
Good night.
Mwah. Bye, guys. Mwah.